Geno Pettis Adventures. I'm still Geno. These are still my adventures. And today was my first fail. We're going to see a 18,000 square foot parcel with a 4-bedroom house. And we never got there. We went, the guy said it's 4 kilometers, yeah. Well, when we hit 10 kilometers and he said it was just a little bit further, he kept saying it's just a little bit further. We got to the entrance and God knows how much further it still was. And my poor car was getting its butt kicked. But what you gotta know is it's a really beautiful place. But first, you gotta look up. That's the Placa Huella, which is really nice. That's the road to the Trapiche, which is the sugarcane mill. And then we have the horses and the burros, the mules, right down here. That's a field of corn. You see the citrus way over on the other side. And you can see the best part of the road. And trust me, the rest of it really sucked. This is the good part. So here you go. Here's the deal. This guy has a 4-bedroom, 2-story, beautiful finca house with 18, well, it's a hectare, 1.8 hectares, with full of coffee, full of bananas, full of citrus, sugar cane, some sugar cane, a lot of sugar cane down in this valley. But the problem is, it's to hell and gone. And trust me, I have lived in some faraway places, but this one, if anything ever happened to you, they would bring you out in a plastic bag, because there ain't no ambulance getting in. There ain't no, if you don't have a truck or if you can't ride a motorcycle, I wouldn't do it. But it was pretty inexpensive. That's a big piece of land here. There's a big house, 2-story house, beautiful house. Wanted 250 million pesos. If he gets 100 million pesos, I would be surprised. I don't know what you'd grow back there. I don't even know where back there is. I don't even know how much further it was. But I know Maria said more than once on this trip, that's it, we're not doing this anymore. That's it, we're not doing this anymore. And I don't blame her, man. It was, you know, sometimes beautiful and cheap ain't cheap. I invented a saying the other day, lo barato siempre sale caro, no? So the cheap stuff usually ends up turning expensive. But I just want you to look around, man. This is one of the most beautiful valleys I've been in. And I'll give you another spin around, and just so you can have a nice look. So those of you that put in the comments, you can buy them for cheaper, better, and prettier. They're not cheaper, they're not better, and they're not prettier. But do you want to drive an hour just to get to the main road? If you're 30, that'll work, maybe even 40. But at my age, it ain't working. And my poor car just got its butt kicked. And the guy didn't even have the nerve to tell me it's not a, it's a un camino bravo. It's a mean road. Well, and it was. Luckily, I didn't hit bottom too many times. Anyway, the old gal got us to here, and I thought I'd stop and just show it to you. So thanks. My first fail. You guys got to enjoy it. Geno Pettis Adventures. Call me, 505-501-8889. We'll have a chat. So, with that being said, today is the first day of the rest of your life. If nothing changes, nothing changes. So we will see you on the flip side. God bless.